Okay guys, today when we look at a story, we're gonna have not just pictures today, but we're also going to have text. So a story that goes along with it. So I'm gonna read this story to you. Here's the thing, for parents especially if you're watching this, know that the kids, these are pretty hard questions and these stories are a little bit harder. So if they can't read it on their own, that's okay. This isn't the part where I'm seeing if they can read. This is the part where I'm seeing if they can comprehend. So do they understand what the story is about? I would love for you to read the stories to them, and then they can even just verbally answer the questions to you, and you can write them down and they can copy them, or they can just tell you the answers. But really just digging into the story is what we're looking for here. So here's the story. Taylor was not a morning person. It took her a long time to wake up. It took her an even longer time to want to talk to anyone. Mornings were not Taylor's favorite part of the day. The other kids would talk, play, and giggle while they waited. Taylor did not. Taylor sat alone and read from her tablet. Many of the other kids thought Taylor was mean because she didn't talk to them. Who is Taylor? So, we know that Taylor is a girl because it says her, and then we also have a picture of Taylor, and she looks like a girl. She's got a headband, she's got her hair in a pony, she's wearing purple. Now that doesn't mean that she's a girl for sure, but then if I look in my story, it says her, so that's helpful because I wouldn't want to make a mistake just by looking at the picture. So looking at the text also confirms that it is a her. She's a her, Taylor. Describe the character's looks and personality. So, by the looks, we know that she maybe likes the color purple. She looks like she's pretty athletic. She's got her hair in a pony. She probably likes to do sports. She's wearing comfy clothes. She likes to read. And that I know because she's holding her tablet, she's reading. It also says she's reading in the story. She's not a morning person, right? It says that it's not her favorite part of the day. Now here's the thing. Is she mean? Well, the other kids think she's mean because she didn't talk to them. But we know because we read the story that she's just not a morning person. So maybe in the afternoon she chats and talks to all the other kids. But in the mornings she doesn't like to talk, which is kind of like Mrs. Fantasia. I get tired in the mornings. So we would say that she's a girl who likes to read. She's not a morning person. She likes to dress comfy, and she likes to be alone in the morning. All right, notice I didn't have to write anything down. I just wanted to talk it out. Number 2, what are all of the kids waiting for? Well, it doesn't really say that she's waiting for to go to school, right? It doesn't ever talk about that. So in this case, I would really need to use the picture. There's a school bus coming, so she is waiting for a school bus. And I know that at bus stops, there's kids that sit around and talk and play. So they are waiting for the school bus. All right, so that's how we can use both the text and the pictures to help us answer questions.